Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on voice chat on Roblox. First of all, you have to open Roblox app. Now tap on three dot over here and go to settings. Now you have to tap on privacy over here and check whether you have microphone or not. If you have microphone, you have to just tap on this toggle to enable it, and once you enable it, now you can open any game that supports microphone as communication to enable voice chat in the game. But if you don't see this microphone feature, then you haven't verified your phone number. You just need to go to in account info, enter your number, and just by using one time password you have to verify your number. Once you verify your number, you will instantly get the microphone in the privacy or voice chat feature in the privacy. So yeah, once you enable it from the privacy, now you have to open game, any game that supports microphone as communication to turn on voice chat. Now once you guys in the game, you can see the mic over the side. Just tap on it to enable your voice chat. Now you can talk to anyone. You can see that there is a variation in the mic as well. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.